It is always a delight to be in Sunyani, especially on this occasion when I have come to commission phase 1 of the Sunyani Airport Rehabilitation Project. It is a good day for Mother Ghana, and this occasion is a seminal moment in the growth and development of this elegant city, Sunyani. The rehabilitation of this airport is a critical part of government's vision to expand the frontiers of the aviation industry in the country and to realize the dream of making Ghana an aviation hub in West Africa. Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, the existence of the Sunyani Airport dates back to the Second World War in 1942, when it was used as an airstrip for the Allied forces. In 1969, the then far-sighted Busia government, realizing the need for an airport in Sunyani, initiated construction work to convert the airstrip into an airport. This was completed and officially opened on 13th July 1974 by Colonel P.K. Ajekum, the then Commissioner for Transport and Communications. For an airport of such rich history to be allowed to deteriorate and be temporarily shut down in March 2016 was in bad taste. And that is why in the run-up to the December 2016 general election, I promised to do something about it. In line with my government's policy to provide a functional air travel infrastructure to enhance the development of our nation's middle belt and strengthen the growth of agriculture, general business, and industrial transformation, a works contract was awarded to Messieurs Resource Access Limited to commence work on the rehabilitation of the airport, which began in 2019 and has cost 52 million Ghana cedis to complete. The scope of works included the rehabilitation and extension of the runway from 1,280 meters to 1,400, repair of the apron to accommodate small to medium-sized aircraft, minimal renovation of the terminal building, and construction of some airport internal roads. With these, after today's event, the airport is now open for business. Nananum, ladies and gentlemen, air travel is picking up following the devastating impact of COVID-19 on the aviation industry. It is expected that domestic passenger traffic will continue to grow over the coming years and will require more infrastructural developments in the sector. I'm glad to inform you that there are projects currently ongoing in our nation's aviation sector which will open up our country even further. There are phases 2 and 3 of the Kumasi Airport project, which are presently some 93% complete, and phase 2 of Tamale Airport expansion project, which is 95% complete. Soon, the processes will be complete for phase 2 of the Sunyani Airport rehabilitation project to begin. In conclusion, let me touch on an important matter, that is widespread encroachment on airport lands. This phenomenon threatens the future expansion of airports in the country. It has to be stopped. The operators and regulators of our airports, as well as the Lands Commission and Nananum, need to sit up and ensure the lands belonging to the airports are managed properly and duly protected, not only for future projects of expansion, but also for safeguarding lives and property. I assure the residents of Sunyani that this project is a sign of greater things to come for Sunyani and the Brong region, and indeed for the whole nation.